Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, all of you. Welcome
Afternoon,
back.
ma'am.
Okay, we will continue with our factor theorem questions. Questions based on factor theorem. Tom Jones, what is factor theorem? Please say.
If p of x is a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, and a being a real number, x minus a is a factor of p of a is equal to 0. And p of a is equal to 0 if x minus a is a factor of p of x.
Okay, Anandita, say state factor theorem. Anandita.
Yes, ma'am. If p of x is a polynomial and of degree n greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, then x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a is equal to 0. If p of a is equal to 0, if x minus a is a factor of p of x.
Okay, so we have done some questions based on factor theorem. I will send homework questions of the same type to check whether a given linear polynomial is a factor of p of x. For that, what we will do? We can find p of a. If p of a equal to 0, we can say that the linear polynomial is a factor, otherwise not. The same type I will send as homework questions. Next type, we will going to start next type of questions. Right, first question. Find the value of k. Using factor theorem, we are doing some other type of questions. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of, if x minus 1 is a factor of, find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x equal to the factor of first one, p of x equal to x square plus x plus k. Write the question. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of a given p of x. X minus 1 is a factor of this p of x, isn't it? X minus 1 is a factor of p of x. So, therefore, we can write what? X minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Therefore, we can write, what can we write?
P of a.
Yes,
P of a equals x minus 1 equals to.
P of what?
A.
And p of a. What is a here?
K. Next one.
1. Yes, p of 1 equal to 0. X minus a is a factor of p of x, which implies a p of 1 is 0. So find p of 1. P of 1 equal to 1 square. 1 square plus 1 plus k, which is equal to 0. 1 square plus 1 plus k, which is equal to 0. That is 2 plus k equal to 0. Value of k.
-2.
-2. K is -2. Okay. Next question. If find value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of, if x minus 1 is a factor of 2x square plus kx.
Ma'am, can you explain it once again?
Sure. Okay. See, listen to the board. Any doubt? Given that in the question, given that x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. X minus 1 is a factor of p of x. So we can say P of 1 equal to 0. Isn't it? No, Isha. If x minus 1 is a factor, P of 1 will be 0 by factor theorem. Is
Okay.
it clear, Isha? Okay, okay. P of
Yes.
1, P of 1 is always equal to 0. But P of 1 is what? Substitute P of x is x square plus x plus k. So P of 1 is 1 square plus 1 plus k, which is 0. 2 plus k equal to 0, k equal to minus 2. Is it clear how we will get k?
Oh, so we have to make that P of 1 equal to 0. Then
0,
we have to find
yes,
K.
yes. P of 1 equal to 0, then find P of 1. Equate that P of 1 to 0, then you will get k. Okay, clear? Okay, same x minus 1 is a factor of 2x square plus kx plus root 2. Try this. Here also P of 1 equal to 0. So P of 1 equal to 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2, which is 0. So 2 plus k plus root 2 equal to 0. So k equal to minus 2 minus root 2 minus of 2 plus root 2. K equal to minus of 2 plus root 2. Same x minus 1 is a factor of kx square minus root 2x plus 1. X minus 1 is a factor of kx square minus 2 root 2. Mm. What is the value of k in question number 3?
Ma'am,
Mm.
is it minus 1 plus root 2?
Yes, root 2 minus 1 or minus 1 plus root 2. Yes. How many of you got correct answer? 1 minus minus 1, root 2 minus 1. Fadil, Sridev, Minette, Adike, Hira, did you get the correct answer?
I'm doing.
Okay, okay, do it.
Ma'am, can you show the shared screen?
Mhm. P of, since x minus 1 is a factor, we can write P of 1 equal to 0. That is P of 1 k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 0. That is k minus root 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, k equal to, take root 2 to the other side, root 2 and minus root 2 minus 1. Say if same k minus 1 is a factor of, k minus 1 is a factor of kx square minus 3x plus k. Kx square minus 3x plus k. If x minus 1 is a factor of this p of x, what's the value of k?
Ma'am,
Ah,
3 by 2.
it's 1 second, let me check. Ah, correct.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
can you explain that?
Sure, sure. K, P of k, no, sorry, P of 1 equal to 0. Here also P of 1 equal to 0, since x minus 1 is a factor. You have to write that sentence in every questions. I am not writing. Since x minus 1 is a factor, P of 1 equal to 0. So P of 1 equal to k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k. Okay, Nivedya?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So k minus 3, and it is equal to 0. K minus 3 plus k equal to 0. That is 2k minus 3 equal to 0. 2k equal to 3, k equal to 3 pi. Nivedya, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Fifth one, find k, find k, find k if x plus 2 is a factor of, if x plus 2, x plus 2 is a factor of 3x square plus kx plus 6. X plus 2 is a factor of 3x square plus kx plus 6. All of you try. Three x plus 2 is a factor of 3x square. Don't say the answers. Children, don't say the answers. All of you type your answer. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show?
That will wait. Biram, did you write the question? Do it and give the value through your chat box.
Ma'am, can you show the board?
Sure.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, first I sent the wrong answer, then I corrected.
I saw your wrong answer.
Ma'am, I sent the correct answer.
Okay, okay, good. Suryadev, what answer?
Ma'am, only one question, right?
One question, only one question.
Ma'am, doing.
Give the answer after complete. -2, others? Check.
I'm doing.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, how -2? Can you explain?
Actually, P of 1/2, no? You are finding, Isha? P of 1/2 equal to 0, isn't it, Isha? 2x minus 1 is a factor. So, did you find P of 1/2, Isha?
No, ma'am.
What did you find, Isha?
P of -1.
That's why understood how this 1/2?
Yes, ma'am.
Now try, okay? Okay, Isha, now you try, then you will get x equal to 1/2. So P of 1/2 equal to 0. Okay, try and come. I will send homework questions of this type, finding K. Okay, shall we wind up? Our time is up.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye.
Ma'am.
Don't forget Monday
First test.
Class test.
chapter.
Number system.
Number system.
Bye. Study well. Bye.
Ma'am, tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,